the fuck you doing? Better get that cold ass shit out here. Carry your ass up the motherfucking hill. Go home.
Mama,
Shit.
I ain't even doing that.
Shit. I'm finna get the fuck up out of my goddamn chair right fucking now. You on that goddamn cold shit. I ain't
Mama,
finna get it. I done got too old to catch this shit. Go.
I can't help it, I mean.
Get gone. Don't go. Well, pop your ass. Shit.
You must be mad.
Hell yeah, I'm fucking mad. Carry your ass up that goddamn hill, like I said. Hell yeah, I'm mad.